Now let's take one more situation. Purchased goods from C for rupees 1000 but recorded as rupees 10,000. It means we were supposed to note it down in the purchase book as rupees 1000, but we have noted down rupees 10,000, means rupees 9,000 extra. So who does the recording? The second accountant does the recording work. So it means he has picked up the right book, I am to say purchases book, because these were the credit purchases. And in this question, they have not mentioned that this transaction has been recorded in some wrong book. It means the transaction has been recorded in the right book. And the right book is purchases book, because all credit purchases are noted down in purchases book. But the problem is he didn't write down rupees 1000. He wrote down rupees 10,000, rupees 9,000 extra. It means this is the right book but wrong amount. But our assumption is the person of recording, I mean to say the second accountant, is a perfect one. He can never make any mistake. It means if he has made any mistake, it's only due to wrong journal entry. Because we have already assumed if there is any error by the recording accountant, that's only due to wrong slip of journal entry, means he has got the wrong journal entry. So this error has been made basically by the first accountant who is making journal entry. So let's assume what should be the right journal entry and what wrong journal entry has been made by the first accountant. The wrong journal entry has been made by the first accountant is purchases account debit to C, rupees 10,000. And what the right journal entry should have been? That should have been purchases account debit to C, rupees 1,000. So wrong entry is purchases account debit to C 10,000 and the right entry is purchases account debit to C 1,000. So how can we make rectifying journal entry? First of all, pass the right journal entry that has not been passed. Now we are going to pass the right journal entry, that is purchases account debit to C, rupees 1,000. Now we have to remove the effect of wrong journal entry, means by reversing the wrong journal entry. That was purchases account debit to C, rupees 10,000. So what will be the reverse? C debit 10,000 to purchases, rupees 10,000. This is the rectifying journal entry that has removed the effect of our error. But in this journal entry, again the same problem. C is repeated and the purchase account is repeated. So purchase account is debit by rupees 1,000 and purchases account is credited by rupees 10,000. So remove the weak one. The weak one is 1,000 and net credit purchases will be, I mean to say two purchases will be 10,000 minus 1,000, that is 9,000. Now look at C. C was debited by rupees 10,000 and C is on the credit by rupees 1,000. So weak side will go away, means remove C on the credit side, and the net debit to C will be rupees 9,000. So net journal entry will be C debit 9,000 to purchases 9,000. You can think about this error in another way also. The journal entry has been passed by rupees 10,000. However, the journal entry should have been passed only by rupees 1,000. It means the accountant has made the journal entry by rupees 9,000 extra. So what's the solution? Reverse the journal entry by rupees 9,000. So what will be the reverse of journal entry? C to purchases, rupees 9,000. The real journal entry should be purchases to C, but we have passed C to purchases rupees 9,000 because 9,000 has been passed extra. So in this way, we can solve this type of problem. Let's take one more situation. Goods purchased from C for rupees 1,000 but recorded in the sales book. Means what's the error? The amount is right but the book is wrong. because these are the credit purchases from C. It should have been noted down in purchases book, but the accountant has noted it down in sales book by mistake. So who has made the mistake? Recording accountant has made this mistake. But our assumption is that the second accountant of recording, he is a perfect person, he cannot make any mistake. If he makes any mistake, if he has noted down the transaction in the sales book, it means he got the journal entry which was giving the impression of credit sales. That's why he has noted down in the sales book. It means he got the wrong journal entry from the first accountant. So this is the error of first accountant. Let's see what the first accountant has done. I mean to say the accountant of journal entry. The goods purchased from C for rupees 1000 means these are the credit purchases from C. So what should be the journal entry? That will be purchases account debit to C, rupees 1000. It has been recorded in the sales book. Means the journal entry was creating impression that these are the credit sales. So it means what journal entry has been passed and has been handed over on the slip to the second accountant. That was C2 sales, rupees 1000. This was the journal entry given to the second accountant, C2 sales. So second accountant got the impression that the goods have been sold on credit basis to C, and he noted down this transaction in the sales book. So the right journal entry is purchases account debit to C, rupees 1000, and the wrong journal entry will be C2 sales, rupees 1000. Now, you know how to solve this problem. First of all, write down the right journal entry. That will be purchases to C, rupees 1000. Then, write down the reverse journal entry of wrong one. That will be sales to C, rupees 1000. So this is the rectifying entry. Sales account debit 1000, purchase account debit 1000, 2C, 1000, 2C, 1000. But you know, in our journal entry, we cannot repeat the account. So in this journal entry, C has been credited twice, 1000 and 1000. So he has been credited by rupees 2000. So remove one credit, that is 2C rupees 1000, and make the other credit by rupees 2000. So the net rectifying journal entry will be sales account debit 1000, purchases account debit 1000, 2C rupees 2000. Now, how should we write down the narration of this journal entry? So you have to write down the same question as it is, being goods purchased from C for rupees 1000 but wrongly recorded in the sales book, comma, now rectified. So the narration of this rectifying entry is quite simple. You simply write down the transaction and then write down now rectified. Quite simple thing. But in the coming up questions, I won't be writing down any narration just to save the time. So I'll be passing just rectifying journal entry.